it is time now to implement the migration for the products table. So let's go now to our code, specifically for the products table 1, and there we are going to create several fields. The first one is going to be name, then we are going to have a description, both of them strings. Again, the description is going to have a max length of 1000 characters. Then we have the quantity that is going to be an integer unsigned. It means that, of course, the quantity cannot be negative. Then we have the status, the image, both of them strings again. In the case of the status, it is going to have a default value that is going to be unavailable. Don't forget to import the definition of product. And finally, we have the seller ID that is going to be, again, an unsigned integer. Let's create the foreign key that is going to references the ID on the users table. Remember that we don't have a buyers or sellers table, so we need to reference directly to the users table. And remember as well that here we are using the table name and not the model name, so it is users and not user. We are done now with the implementation of the migration for the products. Let's continue with the next one. See you there.